backs Bitcoin? Where does the value of Bitcoin come from? Because it's not backed by anything. How do we assign a dollar value to it? This is one of the most important questions, and it's taken me a long time to understand. Well, let me ask you this. When I give you US dollars, why do you accept it? Why do you know that it has value? Because it gives you purchasing power. So the reason that Bitcoin has value is because millions and millions of people throughout the world accept it as purchasing power. So we have to start thinking about money not in terms of dollars or euros, but more in terms of purchasing power, because that's what money is. It allows you to get something that you want that is not money. You want chicken, you want steak, or you want a car, you can use money to get that, to purchase it. There's a famous example. Somebody purchased 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoin. That's 5,000 Bitcoin for 1 pizza. This was the first time that Bitcoin had been used to purchase something commercially. It was about 15 years ago. Today, you can buy 5,000 pizzas with 1 Bitcoin. So let's take a look at dollars. Did the purchasing power of dollars change? 15 years ago, you would maybe pay $20 for a pizza, but today it would cost $30. The price in dollars to buy a pizza is higher. Your purchasing power has gone down with dollars. Not the case with Bitcoin. Your purchasing power with Bitcoin has gone up relative to dollars over time. Millions of people throughout the world know this, and because Bitcoin trades 24 hours a day on many different exchanges between many different people throughout the world, that price gets shown to you on various websites like Coinbase or Binance, various exchanges. So the reason that people don't need Bitcoin to be backed by anything is because the same thing that backs the dollar is what backs Bitcoin. It's confidence. And if you ask me, I'm much more confident in the purchasing power of Bitcoin than in the purchasing power of dollars. Because there's one thing we know for sure, is that US dollars are going to lose value because of inflation over time. That's virtually certain to happen. To me, the risk is not Bitcoin, the risk is owning dollars. Now, don't get me wrong, I'm a patriot. I love America. I believe this is the greatest country on earth. I love dollars, and I support America. I believe in America. But I do believe that the probability that Bitcoin meets the definition of money better than anything else we've ever had as humans, I believe the probability of that is quite high. Bitcoin is here to stay. And that's why I encourage people to allocate a portion of their portfolios, maybe 1 or 2%, up to 5%, into Bitcoin. Are you an investment advisor who wants to grow your book of business? Are you a qualified individual or institutional investor who wants to generate more income? Then the All-Weather Income Strategy by Unlock Investments might be suitable for you. It's a pioneering stock and options trading strategy run by me, Sean Gurson, founder and portfolio manager of Unlock Investments. Unlike most alternative investment funds or strategies, we only charge fees after you generate positive returns or outperform the benchmark. Our benchmark is a shockingly high standard for the industry. It's a 50-50 blend of the S&P 500 index and the NASDAQ index. Basically, we believe you should be better off investing in our strategy, even after fees, than you would be by investing in the benchmark or the general stock market. Our brutally competent performance speaks for itself. If you are an investment advisor, we pay you double your management fee to refer your client into our strategy as a sub-advisor. We make up for this by charging a performance fee on the back end, so it's potentially a win-win for everybody. Now, you can grow your book of business without having to gather more assets or find new clients. And you can do so by adding additional diversification to your client's investment portfolio that could potentially help them outperform the market. See why all of your qualified clients should be protecting their financial legacies against inflation and US dollar debasement by allocating a sliver of their portfolio into the all-weather income strategy. visit www.unlockinvestments.com/performance or email Sean, SEAN, at unlockinvestments.com to schedule your exploratory call and have your questions answered to determine if the all-weather income strategy is the right fit for you and your clients. Unlock your investment potential today with Unlock Investments. If it doesn't make dollars, it doesn't make sense. The best way to avoid underperformance is outperformance.